In today's digital age, artificial intelligence (AI) has become increasingly ubiquitous, revolutionizing various industries and opening up new opportunities for income generation. From freelancing to entrepreneurship, there are countless ways to leverage AI technology to earn money. In this guide, we'll explore 10 strategies for harnessing the power of AI to boost your income and achieve financial success. Number 1. Freelance AI services. Offering freelance AI services opens up a world of opportunities for individuals skilled in AI development and implementation. With the increasing adoption of AI technologies across industries, businesses are seeking experts who can tailor AI solutions to their specific needs. Freelancers proficient in developing AI algorithms, building machine learning models, and implementing automation solutions can find ample opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Total. From developing chatbots and recommendation systems to automating business processes, the demand for freelance AI services continues to grow as businesses recognize the value of AI in driving innovation and efficiency. Number 2. AI content creation. AI-powered content creation tools have democratized content production, enabling freelancers and content creators to produce high-quality written audio and visual content more efficiently than ever before. These tools leverage natural language processing (NLP), speech recognition, and image generation algorithms to generate content that rivals human-created material. Freelancers can use AI to automate repetitive tasks such as writing product descriptions, creating social media posts, and editing videos, allowing them to focus on higher-value creative tasks. By harnessing AI content creation tools, freelancers can increase their productivity, expand their service offerings, and deliver compelling content to clients across various industries. Number 3. AI-powered trading. Algorithmic trading, powered by AI, has revolutionized the financial markets by automating the execution of trades and optimizing investment strategies. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of financial data, identify market trends, and execute trades at lightning speed to capitalize on profit opportunities. Traders and investors can leverage AI-powered trading platforms and tools to implement complex trading strategies, such as trend following, mean reversion, and statistical arbitrage, without the need for manual intervention. By harnessing AI in trading, individuals can potentially achieve higher returns, reduce emotional biases, and navigate volatile market conditions with greater precision and efficiency. Number 4. AI tutoring and education. AI-driven tutoring platforms have disrupted the traditional education landscape by providing personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. These platforms use machine learning algorithms to assess student proficiency, identify learning gaps, and deliver customized learning materials and exercises. Freelance tutors and educators can leverage AI tutoring platforms to reach a global audience, offer personalized instruction in various subjects and disciplines, and adapt teaching methods to accommodate diverse learning styles. By harnessing the power of AI in education, freelance tutors can provide more effective and engaging learning experiences that empower students to achieve their academic goals. Number 5. AI-powered e-commerce. E-commerce businesses are leveraging AI technologies to optimize the online shopping experience, increase sales, and improve customer satisfaction. AI-powered product recommendation engines analyze customer behavior, purchase history, and preferences to deliver personalized product recommendations that drive conversions and boost revenue. Chatbots powered by AI provide instant customer support, answer questions, and assist shoppers with their purchase decisions, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Additionally, AI algorithms optimize pricing, inventory management, and marketing strategies to maximize profitability and competitiveness in the e-commerce marketplace. By integrating AI into their e-commerce operations, businesses can enhance efficiency, drive growth, and stay ahead of the competition in today's digital economy. Number 6. Ad-based healthcare solutions. Ad technologies are revolutionizing healthcare by providing innovative solutions for medical diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Medical professionals can utilize AI-powered diagnostic tools to analyze medical images, such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, with greater accuracy and efficiency than traditional methods. These tools can detect patterns and anomalies that may not be immediately apparent to the human eye, assisting healthcare providers in making more accurate diagnosis and treatment decisions. Number 7. AI-driven marketing campaigns. In the digital age, marketing professionals are increasingly turning to AI to optimize their campaigns and maximize their impact. AI-powered analytics tools can analyze vast amounts of consumer data to identify trends, patterns, and preferences, enabling marketers to tailor their strategies and messaging for maximum effectiveness. By leveraging predictive analytics, marketers can anticipate consumer behavior and adjust their campaigns in real time to capitalize on emerging trends and opportunities. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are also transforming customer engagement by providing personalized recommendations, answering inquiries, and guiding users through the purchasing process. With AI, marketers can create more targeted, personalized, and engaging campaigns that resonate with their target audience and drive results. Number 8. Ad-based creative services. Creatives, including writers, designers, and musicians, are harnessing the power of AI to enhance their creative process and unlock new possibilities for expression. Ad-powered writing tools can assist writers in generating ideas, improving writing quality, and even composing entire articles or stories. Similarly, AI-driven design tools are empowering designers to create visually stunning graphics, logos, and illustrations with greater speed and efficiency. Additionally, AI-generated music and audio are providing new opportunities for musicians and content creators to enhance their projects with high-quality soundtracks and compositions. By leveraging AI, creatives can streamline their workflows, unlock new creative possibilities, and deliver exceptional results to their clients and audiences. Number 9. AI-powered translation services. As businesses expand into global markets, the demand for translation services has never been higher. AI-driven translation tools are revolutionizing the way content is translated, offering fast, accurate, and cost-effective solutions for businesses and individuals alike. These tools utilize advanced machine learning algorithms to translate text, audio, and video content across multiple languages, with remarkable accuracy and fluency. Freelance translators can leverage AI-powered translation platforms to offer translation services in various industries, including marketing, e-commerce, and healthcare, reaching a broader client base and expanding their earning potential. With AI, translation professionals can deliver high-quality translations quickly and efficiently, enabling businesses to communicate effectively with international audiences and achieve their global objectives. Number 10. AI-based data analysis and insights. Data analysis is essential for businesses seeking to gain insights, make informed decisions, and drive growth. AI-powered data analytics platforms are transforming the way organizations analyze and interpret data, enabling them to uncover valuable insights and actionable recommendations with unprecedented speed and accuracy. These platforms leverage advanced machine learning algorithms to process vast amounts of structured and unstructured data, identify trends, patterns, and correlations, and generate actionable insights that drive business performance. Data analysts and consultants can leverage AI-driven data analytics tools to offer data-driven solutions to clients, helping them optimize their operations, improve customer experiences, and gain a competitive edge in their respective industries. With AI, businesses can unlock the full potential of their data, drive innovation, and achieve sustainable growth in today's data-driven economy. Number 11. AI-powered customer service. Customer service is a critical aspect of business success, and AI is revolutionizing the way companies interact with their customers. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a wide range of customer inquiries, from basic questions about products and services to more complex issues requiring technical support. Number 12. AI-enhanced cybersecurity. As cyber threats continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, organizations are turning to AI to bolster their cybersecurity defenses. AI-powered cybersecurity solutions leverage machine learning algorithms to detect and mitigate threats in real time, proactively identifying suspicious activities and anomalies before they escalate into security breaches. In conclusion, the widespread adoption of AI technologies presents numerous opportunities for individuals and businesses to generate income in diverse fields. By staying informed about emerging trends, honing relevant skills, and embracing innovation, individuals can position themselves to thrive in the AI-driven economy of the future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.